Hello, welcome to my channel and thanks for tuning into this video. Today I want to talk about some of my winter skincare and hair care favorites. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to start off with hair. I have a few products that I've really been loving for hair in the winter time especially. And the first is this little Christophe Robin cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. So I really like this. I also liked the Ouai body and scalp scrub, I think it was called. I had a little sample of that as well, and now I'm working my way through this one. I really enjoy the scrub on my scalp because my scalp can get really dry and flaky in the winter time. And I find that these scrubby products are really good for dealing with that and keeping that really at bay. This one I think I like even more than the Ouai one, because it has really big chunks of salt in it. You can't see them there, but it has really big like pieces of almost like rock salt in there. And I just love the way that feels on the scalp, and it feels really nice. And this one also seems to lather more than the Ouai one. So it's like it almost has some shampoo mixed into the scrub. So I do feel like I'm getting a nice cleansing of my scalp and my hair as well when I use this. The other shampoo that I've really been liking is this Ouai Detox shampoo. And this again is really to help deal with my scalp issues that I have in the winter. And just like the scrub, I find that this really helps to keep the sort of flaky, dry scalp in check. So what I usually do is I try to wash my hair only about once every 3 or 4 days. And I just alternate between these when I'm doing that. I found that has been working the best. I was trying to include just a regular shampoo in my rotation as well, but every time I did that, the sort of scalp issues would come back. So I've been finding that it's been working best just alternating those two products. Then for conditioner, I have 2 of those as well. One is this Pantene Miracle Moisture Boost. It's a sulfate-free conditioner and it has rose water in it apparently. A drugstore conditioner, and I find it's really nice because it's very, very moisturizing, and it adds the moisture and a little bit of silkiness to the sort of mid to ends of my hair, and I really like that. And then the other conditioner type product that I have been loving is this Living Proof Restore Repair Mask. And this is one that I had seen in one of Lisa Eldridge's videos a few months back. And this is silicone free. It's a hair mask. It's basically like a really heavy conditioner. So I use this one more often, but maybe about once a week or so, I will put this in and leave it in for 10-15 minutes before rinsing it out. It's meant to reverse damage. I don't know if it does that, but it does keep my hair feeling nice and healthy, and it is really nourishing and moisturizing on the hair without weighing it down too much. Now moving into body skincare, I have 2 products. The first is this Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion with shea butter. This is the one with the blue label. They have a few different colors of the labels. And in the wintertime, this is the one I like the best. I find it to be the most nourishing and moisturizing without being greasy or taking too long to absorb into my skin. In the fall and spring, I like to use the one with the green label. And in the summertime, I usually use Lubriderm, which is to me an even lighter moisturizer. But this is just perfect for me for winter. My skin gets so dry, and this is really wonderful for just keeping my skin hydrated and not feeling itchy or cracked or anything like that. I put this on after my shower, so I get out of the shower, my skin is still wet and damp, and then I take about 12 pumps of this and just put it all over my body, and then I'll do my face skincare, and by the time that's done, this has sunk into my skin and I can get dressed as usual. So I really think this is a great product and also not very expensive. It's a great product from the drugstore. The other body care product that I wanted to show was this Herbivore coconut milk body polish. It's essentially a sugar scrub for your body with coconut oil in it. And I heard about this from Alana Davison. She was talking about this in a video, I think before Christmas, but she just said that it was really nice and luxurious feeling, and she said it smelled like a Bounty chocolate bar, and I really like those. So I decided to go for it, and it really does smell like that. It's a beautiful sweet coconut scent, and I may have tried a little taste of it, and it tastes really good too. I'm not saying you should eat it, but it tastes like it smells. So it's really, really a nice product. Definitely a luxury and not a necessity, but if I feel like I want to treat myself a little bit, I'll use this. And if I am feeling a bit too lazy to go through the whole moisturizing routine with my lotion, I'll just use this in the shower, and it's moisturizing enough that I don't need to put on any lotion afterwards. Now, moving on to the face. A lot of these products are really year-round favorites for the winter time, but I wanted to first show you this Keihl's Daily Refining Milk Peel Toner. So it's basically a very gentle exfoliator that you can use every day, and I use this in the morning. It separates, so it has this milky layer and then the clear layer, so you just shake it up, and then you put it on a little cotton pad and wipe it all over your face as your toner. I like this best in the morning. I don't usually use it in the evening. I like this to just sort of refresh the face. It removes any sort of dead skin or product buildup that might have accumulated over the course of the night, and does a gentle exfoliation but still keeps your skin really moisturized. It has almond milk in it, which I think is the thing that really keeps it moisturizing, and it leaves a nice sort of dewy sheen on your skin and doesn't feel heavy at all. It's just a really beautiful product. Another Keihl's product that I love, and I use this all year round. This is the Keihl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. It's just their old classic avocado eye cream. I find it super moisturizing. It feels really nice and moisturizing and refreshing on the eyes, and I like to use that every morning too. And it just keeps my eye area really nicely hydrated all day long, again, without feeling too heavy. It is a pretty heavy formula, but it doesn't feel that heavy on the skin, and just keeps everything looking nice. My concealer looks great over it, and so on. So I really like that product. Another one that I like to use in the morning is this by Terry Brightening CC Serum. This sort of has one foot in each category of skincare and makeup. It just gives a really nice brightening glow to the skin. So I like to usually mix this in with my moisturizer in the morning, and I find it just helps to, give that little bit of a glow and freshness to the skin. And I notice when I'm not wearing that, my skin looks a little bit more dull. For evening products that I love in the winter time, I have the Mer The Concentrate. I've gone through 2 of the 15 milliliter bottles of this, but I've gotten rid of the bottles. So all I have right now is this tiny little sample, and I'm just waiting for a sale or a good promotion before I repurchase it. But this is amazing for calming any redness or irritation on my skin. So I love it if I, sometimes I'll get little red irritation sort of around this area, around my eyes, particularly if I've removed my makeup through the day and reapplied it. My skin is pretty sensitive, so if I have to wash my face more than once in a day, it can get a little bit irritated. So this is great for taking care of that overnight. And I also like it on if I have any healing blemishes. So if they're past the point of really being an active pimple, but they're still red and the skin needs to heal, this really helps with speeding that process along. I don't actually find this product moisturizing at all. So I don't think it's going to give you extra hydration, but it is just so soothing and calming on the skin. I think it's really great. So if you were gonna get one La Mer product, I think the Concentrate is the best one in my opinion. The other skincare product that I've been really loving at night is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. And this is an extra large size of it. And it's just beautifully moisturizing, and it feels so nice to put on the skin. It's really like a drink of water for the skin at nighttime. So I usually just take this little paddle that comes with it and take a scoop about that size and just put it all over my face as the last step of my evening skincare routine. And it just feels amazing. I don't use an eye cream at night. I find this is enough to keep my eye area nice and moisturized all night. And then I wake up and my skin is still feeling nice and moisturized and a little bit plump. So I think this is a really, really lovely skincare product, especially for the winter. I haven't tried it in the summer yet, so if I still have some of that left in the summertime, we'll see if that is working for me in that season as well. It's hard to say because it is very, very hydrating and I might not need that much hydration in the summer. So that was it. Those were all my skincare for face and body and hair care favorites that I've been really loving this winter. I hope you enjoyed hearing my thoughts about these, and I would love to hear what some of your skincare and hair care favorites have been this winter down in the comments. If you have any other comments or questions, I'd love to see those below as well. If you'd like to see more from me and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love for you to do so. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.